Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Ford Ranger single cab chassis XL with stock reference number 5362. The shape runs from the 12th month 2006 through to the 9th month 2011. It has a WEAT 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. WEAT 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, left hand headlight, set of CSA D-hole 16-inch steel rims with good tyres, aftermarket snorkel, bonnet appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left rear CSA 16-inch D-hole with a Mickey Thompson tyre, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom, right hand rear CSA 16-inch D-hole steel mag with a good tyre, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch CSA D-hole with a good Mickey Thompson tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, 4-wheel drive type, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with no audio controls.